the sign and application guide. These are just 21 pretty cool applications that you can do with your UCJV printer. And the first one is durable decal. So we're going to print color and clear matte right off the bat. What's the recipe? Here it is. So layer 1, pass 1, color. Layer 2, pass 1, clear matte. Let's jump into Rasterlink and get this job done. All right, here's the graphic that we want to print. So whatever design software you use, Corel, Illustrator, Flexi, I don't care. So what's important here is your artboard size or your page size. And I save everything as a PDF. I know some guys like to save it as an EPS, but a PDF is just a viewable PostScript print file. And I think it's the purest print file that you can use. I think it's the best that you can use. So that's kind of where I save it, and I have really great results. So in CorelDRAW, instead of selecting File, Print to PDF, CorelDRAW has a PDF publisher. So I select File, Publish to PDF, and my settings are page size defined by document, and I'm just going to send to PDF my selection. And I'm going to select Save. Now you're in Rasterlink. We can grab that file and drag and drop it in here. And this is what's important. Go to that favorite, creating favorites video that's on, PG sign video. And we want to set the resolution right here at this point. So I saved the favorite. I'm just going to select 12 by 12. Now we're doing color clear matte, and I have a UCJV 330. So it won't print clear matte at 600 by 600. It's got to be 600 by 1200. Great. Now that file's in Rasterlink. So I'm going to select that image file. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select Special Plate. So what we're going to do is do valid to non-background, compose automatically and on the top, and select Create. You can see in our center window over here, it's layered, and these three files are layered together. Well, how are they layered together? How do we know? So I know that this is going to print first because it's on the bottom, this next because it's in the middle, and then it's going to cut last. And it tells us here with the attributes. This is clear plate matte, that's what it is. This is color, and that's cut. Over here is our composition shortcut icon. Now we're already done with the image. It's ready to go to print, but let's just take a look at it over here. This is what's very important. Output order. So in our first pass, that's what this means. In our first pass, we're going to print color clear matte. That's what we want to do. In our second pass, the printer will retract and it will cut the image. Now I have directions already in a video on how to set this job up for printing. Hopefully you have a little experience before you're watching this special color video, so you can set this job up as normally and hit print. So you're ready to go. How easy was that?